How to enable or disable face unlock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on lock screen and always on display. After click on lock screen and always on display, click on screen lock and biometrics. Enter your phone pin and click on face recognition. After click on face recognition, so you will see face unlock is here. So if you want to disable face unlock, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see face unlock is disabled. So if you want to enable face unlock, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see face unlock is enabled. So you will enable or disable face unlock from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable face unlock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.